Welcome, little readers. Thank you for joining us at Once Upon a Storytime. Let's dive into a new tale. Are you ready? Let's read together. Our story for today is Ginger Bear by Minnie Gray. Our story starts with a lump of pastry that Horace's mom gave him, which Horace would usually roll about over the floor and furniture. Until it was deep gray and fluffy and quite a lot smaller. But today, Horace's mom gave him a cookie cutter in the shape of a bear to use. Horace stamped out a gingerbread bear and gave it currant eyes and a nose. Horace's mom put it in the oven to bake. 20 minutes later, the cookie bear was golden colored and smelled lovely, and Horace wanted to take a bite, but "No, Horace," said Horace's mom. "It is too hot. You must wait for it to cool down." An hour later, Horace remembered the cold gingerbread bear and was about to take a bite, but "No, Horace," said Horace's mom. "You are just about to have dinner. You will spoil your appetite." Before bedtime, Horace thought of the golden cookie bear, and he was just gazing at it. But "No, Horace," said Horace's mom. "You have just cleaned your teeth." Horace put the bear in a little tin and put it on his pillow. It was the middle of the night. Ginger Bear woke up. He yawned and stretched and looked about for somebody to play with. Everyone seemed to be asleep. Ginger Bear had an idea. "I shall make some friends," he said to himself, and went to the kitchen. Ginger Bear found butter and flour and milk. He mixed up a mixture and rolled it and shaped it and put the first batch of friends in the oven to bake. When they had cooled, Ginger Bear dressed them in icing of many colors, thousands of sugar sprinkles and candy peels and glacé cherries and little silver balls. And now, Ginger Bear said to his new friends, "Let the fun begin! Come one, come all! One night only, Ginger Bear's circus is performing in the kitchen. Watch the acrobats as they toss and tumble." Gasp as Strong Bear raises the rolling pin. Scream with surprise as our aeronaut is fired from the ketchup bottle. This circus was so exciting that no one noticed the shadow looming in the doorway. Bongo the dog liked cookies, but not in a way that's necessarily good for the cookies. Ginger Bear just managed to clamber to safety. Ginger Bear looked sadly at the mess. He suddenly realized that he needed to find a place where a cookie could be safe. When Horace awoke the next morning, he reached for the tin that had contained the little cookie bear, but all he found was crumbs and a card that looked familiar. The life of a cookie is usually short and sweet, but Ginger Bear has found somewhere safe to be. Ginger Bear is in the pastry shop display. Some of it is cardboard covered in icing. Some of it is plaster. It looks delicious, but it can never be eaten. The display changes through the year, but every day, Ginger Bear is the star, and every night, who knows? Thanks for reading with me, little readers. I had so much fun sharing this story. If you loved it, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. There are so many more stories waiting for you.